Hi all, welcome back. So today let's take a look at some of the simple preschool worksheets that you can make for your child. So this will suit children of 2 to 4 years of age or who are preschoolers. So let's get started and take a look at some of the activities. So the first one is finding the houses of these animals. So for spider, it's the spider web. Ant, anthill, bee, beehive, bird goes to the nest, dog to the kennel. So you can talk about spiders and where they live, and similarly all the other animals, and help the child match this animal to its home. For example, I'm just drawing spider here. You can help the child draw spider to its spider web. Similarly, so that was one activity. The next one is helping the child identify similar images. So here we have half of a flower, similarly half of a ball, half of a car, and a fish. Now what the child has to do is find the other half of all these drawn over here. So for the flower, it's here. For the ball, and car, the fish and the fish tail. So the child has to match it accordingly, like this. Okay. The next one is counting. So if you have taught your child, let's say from 1 to 5, you can draw simple objects and ask them to count, and you can write the number over here. So for example, 5 stars, 4 books, and 2 birds. The next activity that we are going to look at is matching the next activity we're going to look at is the child should be able to identify similar objects and connect them together by drawing a line. So for example, ball goes to ball, desk to desk, truck to truck, tree to tree, glass to glass. So you can actually help the child draw by holding his or her hand and take them through these kind of activities to keep them really engaged during this lockdown period. So let's look at the next one. Next one is we're going to learn about words. So I have taken A to J words. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jug. Now, the next activity that we have is joining the dots. So we can complete this picture by connecting all the alphabets in their order. So A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and similarly help your child connect all the dots and complete the figure. So these are some of the simple activities you can do at home. It won't take you much time to even draw that. You can draw in a very simple manner and keep them engaged for at least like 1 hour by talking and teaching them some of these basics that is needed that would have been done had they been going to the preschool.